All right, let's do it. Let's do it, Rex. Still kind of dark over here in this corner, but the sun is coming up in a few minutes. We've got cold air advection clouds, that is wind from the north, and I was out here last night when the wind shifted and came in from the north and everything was blowing down and blowing around. So there's how much natural snow is left on the trails here at Spruce Peak. Yes, much disappointment in this weatherman's heart this morning. Thought we'd get some nice upslope snow on the backside last night, and there is evidence that it did snow just a little bit. But you can see there's more ice on that driveway. Everything's knocked over than snow. We probably picked up, I don't know, about 3/4 of an inch of rain yesterday, somewhere in there. And it wasn't really that warm on top. It only made it up to about 33 or actually 36 degrees for a brief time right before the front came in at 7 o'clock last night. We were actually outdoors at that time, and boy, was it windy. Mount Washington this morning is gusting to 110 miles per hour with a temperature of 5 degrees, but here it's about 17 degrees, and the wind isn't that strong here yet, and there is a chance that it is going to still snow more. Ben shared this picture from Mount Holly, Vermont earlier. That's a lake effect snow band coming all the way from Lake Ontario. And there's a bit of a front, colder front, believe it or not, coming across Canada, Montreal right now with some snow showers. So we are going to get some upslope snow, but pretty much dust on the crust here. It's going to be fast skiing today. I'm just going to go up and get a couple of runs. If I were here all the time, I wouldn't even bother today. It's going to be so fast, and their groomers are out there. The snow guns are back on, but it's going to take some time. So the cold side of the pendulum for today, windy all day. Even in Boston, winds are gusting to 40 with the temperature only near 40. So really cold Thursday, first day of meteorological winter, and it's a wintry pattern. But there's another front coming in on Saturday, and that's going to have gusty wind from the south and rain showers all the way to the Canadian border again on Saturday. The hurricane season ended yesterday. What an active season. So we're going to look at that warmer wind on Saturday, and then another cold blast on Sunday with cold wind on Sunday, almost exactly like what happened just now. And then Monday and Tuesday we're kind of gliding along, and Tuesday next week, another kind of mixed precipitation event with more showers in central and southern New England, maybe mostly snow at the Canadian border Tuesday. And Wednesday and Thursday, here comes an Arctic front. Thursday night, Friday, we really get into the Arctic air late next week. And there's a snow that may actually miss us to the south late next week. All right, another quick edit. I'll do a more in-depth snowcast later on. I'm going to go there and torture myself on this lift ride, but fortunately it looks like the lifts are going. It's not that windy here yet. 8 a.m. below the gondola. Those guns made a lot of snow yesterday, shut off just after midnight. It'll be cold enough for turn them back on before midnight tonight, so it's about a 12-hour thaw. And we won't ski until the wind says we're not going to ski anymore today. It's over easy. It probably shuts down early for the day. Lovely day. We've got ice on our goggles. It's drizzling and 30. Yesterday was snowing at 30. This bag just blew by. I want to see it blow again. I'll get it.
Thank you.
I'll get it.
Thank you so much.
Where did it come from? That was a gust to 55 from the north. The wind just shifted. It's about 7 o'clock or so. Rain just ended. The wind's coming in from the north now. Maybe some ice bocce in the morning. T-Rex. He hasn't really wanted to go out very much today. That's probably it for tonight, I would say. Hi, Rex. Let's go. Was just about to hit send on the out the door this morning, but I had to share. The snow has returned to Mount Mansfield, Vermont, and there is still natural snow on Gondolier. And I can hear the guns blasting again this morning.